Things are not looking good for Donald Trump because the Supreme Court of the United States of America ruled that a kid born in the United States of America, whether parents are there legally or illegally, he is supposed to earn the citizenship of the United States of America. This is a discussion which most MAGA individuals, the like of Ben Johnson, were so vocal about because they wanted individuals whose kids are born in the United States of America, and some of these individuals don't have the legal papers. The kids should be denied the citizenship. But one of the things which you need to realize is that what was driving more especially these individuals in the MAGA movement, I believe it's only racist ideas because they thought it could be nice for individuals more especially who have freed the war zones, the likes of Haiti, maybe Syria, Iran. These individuals should be denied, their kids should be denied the citizenship of the United States of America. But according to the rule which was made by these judges of the Supreme Court, where six individuals sided with the ruling that the kids born in the United States of America should be given the citizenship of the United States of America. They said, I'm going to read uh, part of what was written by the Chief Justice. He said that children born in the United States to parents unlawfully or temporarily present are subject to the jurisdiction of the United States and are citizens at birth. Under the 14th Amendment Citizenship Clause, Chief Justice John Roberts wrote in the 6-3 ruling released on Tuesday. So this was something which Donald Trump has been pushing for a long period of time. He wanted to ensure that individuals, more especially who are illegally in the United States of America, and most of these individuals are from the races which Donald Trump is not interested, is not excited about, and also the white supremacists are not interested about these races. So Donald Trump wanted to take this advantage to ensure that these individuals don't have the kind of the citizenship which was entitled by the United States Constitution. And we can go further and say that what does really the 14th Amendment in the United States of America tries to discuss? The 14th Amendment states that all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the states wherein they reside. So, if you are a person who is born in the United States of America, or you are legally naturalized as a citizen of the United States of America, in whichever state which you reside in, you are entitled to the citizenship of the United States. So Donald Trump, him being a racist individual, he also has those racist individuals who are surrounding him, wanted to ensure that they have gone against the constitution. They really don't want to understand why was this kind of the 14th Amendment, why was it put in place? It's because initially those slaves, the individuals who were slaves from either Africa or the Asian countries, they didn't have the opportunity, they didn't have the advantage of being given the citizenship. So this led to a case which was done in 1898 by someone Wong versus to the US, where an argument was made that an individual, whether you have a key, whether you were a slave or a free person in the United States of America, your kid being born in the United States of America enabled you to enable citizenship to that kid. In this case, which was decided in 1898, in 1898 Supreme Court case, U.S. versus Wong Kim Arak, the High Court affirmed that children born in the United States to parents who were not diplomats or foreign officials had the right to be citizens. To be citizens. So this is a landmark ruling which ensured that individuals, except those of diplomats or foreign officials, they were entitled for the citizenship of the United States. I understand, for example, the diplomats, if it's an embassy, that land is considered to be the land of the foreign country. So individuals born by these diplomats, they are not entitled for the citizenship of the United States of America. But if it's the other ordinary people, then it is entitled that these kids must be the citizen of the United States of America. What are your thoughts, more especially when racist individuals like Donald Trump go against the judges, show that they were not actually excited about the ruling which was made by these judges? For those individuals, more especially ordinary people who are going through hard times, I believe it's a sign of kind of relief to understand that the court has also sided with them and they are not going to face the pressure which they have been facing, more especially considering what is going on with ICE raids, how individuals have been stuck in prisons because they are not legally in the United States of America. And remembering that it is the United States of America which is causing a lot of chaos in their native country. As usual, go ahead, subscribe, like, and also don't forget to share. See you in my next one. Siku njema.